Making money online just got faster and easier, even for first-time marketers. Stick with me and learn how you can make money today. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time for over 23 years now. It's how I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a job. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's the thing. I usually do not recommend or promote done-for-you online marketing systems. Too many of them are just plain lousy. Typically, they depend on low-quality content that does not convert. Most of them are a waste of your time and your money. However, our new turnkey system, and what has been my #1 recommended income stream for over 4 years now, is different, way different. Just introduced a couple weeks ago, it is converting like crazy. See, it solves the big challenge for people starting an online business, and that challenge is getting everything set up. In a lot of businesses, it can take a long time to start making money online. In fact, many people never even get going, never even make money. Here are the things that hold new people up. They struggle with getting a lead capture page set up, setting up an email autoresponder, writing high-converting emails, dealing with domain names, and more. Well, with our new turnkey system and our exclusive Quick Start training, many new people are now making money their very first day and building long-term residual income too, even those with no previous experience, because no setup is required. Your new turnkey system is ready as soon as you join our team. You'll have your own high-converting lead capture page. Each time your lead opts in, the system goes to work. It sends your prospect a powerful free ebook with your affiliate link in it. It's called the Residual Income Shortcut. This ebook explains why most home businesses fail and shares our simple model built to fix just that. This ebook alone is leading to many sales each day. The turnkey system also starts sending your prospect a follow-up email every day for 11 days with your link in it, telling them more and leading them to join your business. Your leads are captured and tracked inside your website, where you can view them, watch their progress, and even download them to use later. You do not need to create anything. It's all done for you. All you do is share your turnkey link. The system takes care of the rest, and we teach you how to do that for free, working just minutes a day. I think this is the ultimate done-for-you system for making money online. It might be just what you've been looking for. Now, your turnkey system will be just like mine, so rather than tell you more, I invite you to take it for a test drive and see it in action. Go to my website at attainmygoals.com/turnkey. Enter your name and email and see just how simple and powerful this new turnkey system is. I'm sure you'll agree, making money online just got faster and easier.